In the College of Science and Engineering, we have 5 different programs. The most robust and the biggest one of them all is computer science. It's been long-standing and we do a very good job with it. Our newest program, conversely, is electrical engineering. We're very happy to shoulder this. The most important feature about this program is every course comes with a lab. So while you study all the theory and all the details of what gives materials its electronic properties and how we control them, that's what you learn in a lecture theory class, but then you go to lab and you actually play with these materials, you build these materials. Our research labs, we can characterize these materials so you understand electronics from a deep, hands-on and theoretical point of view. We also have mathematics, biomedical sciences, we have surveying and geospatial informatics, and also we have chemistry, and we have a center for materials and manufacturing sciences. It's a building that is completely dedicated to research, and most of our majors play a role in this building.